3 best car gear shift collars. Here is the product number 1. Gear shift knob boot cover. Product name, GearGator boot cover. 100% brand new. Brand name, Autoleader. Color, black. Material, artificial leather. Transmission, manual. Material type, PU leather. Item type, gear shift collars. Type, GearGator boot cover. Here is the product number 2. Car styling gear shift collars. Brand new and high quality. Brand name, Sekeo. Easy installation, modeling concise and beautiful. Material, silicone. Color, black, yellow, red, blue. Type, universal fit. Item type gear shift collars. Weight, 51 grams. Item length, 10.8 centimeters. Here is the product number 3. Car leather gear shift knob. %100% brand new. Brand name, Ozon. Color, black. Material, artificial leather. Size, as shown in the picture. Fitment, universal for cars. External testing certification. Item type, gear shift collars. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.